Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today is actually a pretty gorgeous day. However, it's colder than it looks. But today I am going to take my car to Classic Chevrolet, my beautiful Corvette Z06, and I'm going to have them set it up for the racetrack and show you guys exactly what you need to do to set your car up to go to a track event. I'm really looking forward to going to Classic Chevrolet. It's been a while since I've been there, and I need to get some stuff done besides that. One of my subscribers reached out to me and said, when I start my car, it's taking longer to start than it should, and that is actually a recall. And so I'm going to discuss that with the service guy today and see what he says about that. Hopefully Chevrolet will take responsibility for it and get it all fixed. So anyway, I'm going to get that taken care of and also get this car set up for the track. So as you can see, we are on our way to Classic Chevrolet in Grapevine, and so I wanted to go over the other thing that I'm going to have them take a look at today, and that is my transmission, being the 8-speed automatic, is doing what a lot of people out there are complaining about, which is when you come to a stop sign or a stop light, sometimes right when you're about to stop, your car kind of jerks forward, and it just isn't right. There's nothing good about it. It feels bad, and it definitely makes me worried that something is going on with the transmission. However, the thing that makes me not as worried is the fact that I already know that there are lots of these Corvettes that were built from 2014 till now that are having the transmission issues with the automatics. Now, I think in 17 or 18 they resolved the issue, but I don't know that for a fact. But I'm pretty sure. If you do know, leave me a comment below and let me know. But what I was going to tell you guys that's actually really, hopefully good news, is I've got a friend on Instagram. He's actually a guy that lives in my same neighborhood who has a gorgeous C7 Stingray Z51 with stage 3 aero. It's Laguna Blue. It's absolutely gorgeous. And he was having transmission issues, and that was one of the issues that he had. And apparently Chevrolet has come out with a new fluid that they can put in your transmission and get that completely to go away. So that's what he says. He also had major torque converter issues, and I think he said he's on his 3rd Corvette because of torque converter issues. But he got his Stingray back, and it doesn't jump forward anymore, and everything seems to be great. So anyway, that's the 3rd reason why I'm taking this to Classic Chevrolet. Alright, so getting off here to head into Grapevine Classic Chevrolet. And one thing I wanted to mention that I always try and talk about when talking about the Classic Chevrolet is Rod. He is excellent. He is a very honest sales guy there. This Chevrolet dealership I've had nothing but good dealings with. And if you need a new Chevrolet, period, just any car that Chevy makes, and you live in the DFW area, but especially a new Corvette, go see Rod at Classic Chevrolet. We have just arrived here. All right, pulling right in here. I like that license plate. Vroom. It's beautiful Stingray in front. By the way, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this is the tech inspection sheet. Let me get real close to it. Hopefully you guys can see that, and that's what I have to have Cody take a look at here at Classic Chevrolet and get it all set up for the track. So I'm waiting for Rod to get back. He went on a little test drive, and while I'm waiting, I figured I'd come out here and show you guys the vet inventory that this place has right now. I haven't even seen it in a while, but just wanted to show you guys. So, looks like we've got a mixture here between Stingrays and Grand Sports. We got a beautiful white Grand Sport. Beautiful white Stingray. Look at this, guys. This is not a C7R, but it has the same wheels as a C7R. It's obviously got stage 3 aero on it, so they definitely wanted to make this one look like a C7R. Let's see what this one is going for. 107,925. Whew. That is pricey. Looks like we got another one just like it over here too. Stage 3, C7R wheels. I wish the Stinger was black. Very nice car. This one doesn't have a sticker on it. I don't know why. Oh, look at that. That is very nice. Let's get a better look at it over here. But it's got yellow paddle shifters. I like that a lot. That is gorgeous. And look at that. It's got the yellow stitching all on the seats and on the center console and also up on the dash. Now that is the kind of thing that I love seeing in a Z06 especially. So right now, Classic Chevrolet only has about 20 Corvettes, which is pretty unusual for them. They usually have 40 to 50 and sometimes more than that. But as you can see, they do have a very nice selection. So again, guys and gals, if you want a new Corvette, come see Rod at Classic Chevrolet in Grapevine, Texas. So this is interesting. I'm here at Classic Chevrolet, obviously, and look what just pulled up. A Callaway Z06, and this isn't just any Callaway Z06. This was driven all the way from Connecticut. And it was driven by Mike, the Callaway rep that I actually got to meet, and Clarence from Brink of Speed got to meet, and actually Clarence got to go for quite a drive with him in the Callaway Aero Wagon. And so anyway, this is pretty interesting. I just thought I'd throw this in here real quick. I actually already saw Mike. I need to find out why he drove this car all the way here from Connecticut. So guys, I'm here in the courtesy shuttle with Bob, right?
Correct.
This is Bob over here. He's an excellent driver. He's worked for Classic for how long now? 5 years. He's been a pleasure to talk to. He's driving me home from Classic Chevrolet. And yeah, if you guys go to Classic Chevrolet and you need a ride, this is who will give you the ride.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. He's going to check out my YouTube channel too.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, I am back from Classic Chevrolet. And man, I got to tell you, those guys are awesome over there. Not only did they bring me home, but they also came and picked me up and took me back to pick up the vet. Now, I've got something in here I want to show you guys. This is my paperwork from doing the tech inspection. And if you look here, everything passed except for one thing, and that is right there. Tires, adequate tire tread and speed rating. Well, unfortunately, guys, these Cup 2 tires have seen the last of their days. So I'm actually trying to get in probably to Corvette World tomorrow morning and get some new tires put on. I've already went to Discount Tire and they didn't have time to do it before Saturday, and Saturday's my track day, so I definitely have to get it done before then. So anyway, it was very nice to be able to get in very quickly with Classic Chevrolet, get that inspection done. They did a great job. Now they are rescheduling me, or I've got to call back in and get rescheduled for the rest of the things that I need done. The transmission fluid and also the recall for the engine taking a while to start. So that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. I hope each and every one of you enjoyed the video, and now you kind of know what you got to do before you go do a track day. You got to get that tech list filled out by a very experienced mechanic, so that when you get to the track, they can look at that and know that your car is good to go. But other than that, I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful rest of your week. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give me a big thumbs up. If you have not joined the Brink of Speed community, make sure and hit that subscribe and the bell notification so that you're notified when my new content comes out. And I'll see you out on the road.